All right, everyone, we're in week 5. Congratulations. And I'm going over some concepts that you may face on your test that people in the past have struggled with. All right, so here's a question to kind of look at. At a certain college, 55% of the students are female, 21% major in civil engineering, and 12% are both female and major in civil engineering. All right, so here's the question. What is the probability that a randomly selected female student majors in civil engineering? Round your answer to the nearest hundredth. So that's 2 decimal places. So like if you think about it, 100, just the number 100, or the number 100 has 2 zeros in it, right? So that means you're going to go out 2 decimal places. Now I just put this for my own happiness here. Probability of female, I changed to 0.55. Civil engineering, I changed to 0.21, and both female and civil engineering, I changed to 0.12. All right, so what they're really asking you here is you need to find the probability that you choose someone who is a civil engineer, given, there's your pipe symbol, they must be female. Okay, so remember after the pipe symbol, in my previous videos we talked about, that's where you want to start. So whatever is the probability for female, which we look here is 0.55, that's going to go in the basement or the bikini bottom. That's your denominator. Then you'll come up here to the front. The chances of being a civil engineer is 0.21. So if you take your calculator and do 0.21 divided by 0.55, you should get roughly 0.22, or a 22% chance that you would select someone who is female and a civil engineer. Okay, next part, let's see here. And these are very similar. I can see why these can be a little hairy. What's the probability that a randomly selected civil engineering major is female? Round your answer again to the nearest hundredth. Okay, so what they're really asking is for you to find the probability that you choose someone who is female given they are civil engineers. Okay, so civil engineers, we know we're going to start here in your denominator. So civil engineers is 0.21. And then the chances that they're female and a civil engineer is 0.12. So 0.12 divided by 0.21 is roughly 0.57, or a 57% chance. All right, this is Dr. Parcell, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.